YouTube, Christabel back for another one. Sons of Anarchy double bill day. I'm rolling straight into episode 4, season 8. If you want to see 7, just check my last video. Going straight in, please like, comment, subscribe. Check out Patreon for 6 extra episodes. Let's just get straight to it. Let's go. Is he on a truck or is he on a tree? Oh, did the branch break? You're going to have a serious scar. Lucky you didn't break your neck. They should know that you just tried to do that shit. You should have a fucked up leg as well, yeah. Come and find him, please come and find him right there like that. Come on, guys.
Hell, man.
Figure it out.
Josh! What's up? Oswald, man. Got those stupid security chains all over these back roads. What's up? What? Drugs? Change the leadership.
My days, you lot believe it. Oh my God, you're not doing questions. It's so frustrating.
Sorry about the hour, Miss Knowles.
What is it?
We just got a call from your administrator over at St. Thomas. She's convinced you did receive a death threat.
Thank you.
I appreciate your concern, Sheriff.
Well, it's more than concern, it's my legal obligation. So I'm going to post a unit outside and I'll coordinate with the hospital security. It's more than just your safety at stake.
Yeah.
But I'm sure you know that.
Come on, Tara. Don't mess with your kids' lives.
Piney wasn't going to proxy this vote.
So what happens if Bobby takes his vote?
Short term, not much you can do.
Long term, maybe Bobby's a better choice.
You thinking of going that way?
You're staying in Clay's camp.
Tricks.
Look, I know it's dirty, bro.
It's
He's
complicated.
getting us whole.
He's not getting you whole.
I'm sorry, son.
But I'd do it again if you do that shit
I love
again.
you, Bob. I'm with you on this.
Where are you going? Oh,
Come on, let's go.
back your daddy, yo. That's it.
There's a challenge on the table. New president.
Ain't got no choice.
Yay or nay?
Yay.
Bobby taking the gavel.
Yay, bitch.
Nay.
1-1.
Nay.
2-1. 3-1. Don't need to say it, Jax. Fuck. Okay, let's put a hold on that. Who is this now? Wow, you coming into my fucking club. Don't expect to leave. Don't expect to leave. Look, prospects. Is that a bomb? What is that? That is just through.
Check his ink.
Lobo Sonora! Asshole. Shit! Bad.
What is the bag?
What is it?
Whose heads are they?
That bag of heads. It's your get out of drugs free card.
What the hell are you talking about?
You tell the cartel we didn't sign up for this blood feud. That's exactly what you're gonna do. And you're gonna do it today because your time is up. If we're still in the drug business tomorrow, I'm delivering those letters to the club.
Oh, wow. He's got a contingency plan. Yeah, don't fuck with Piney.
Gun warehouse is safe, but the mine tortilla truck got jacked. Full load of coke on the way out to dealers. 3 of Alvarez's guys MIA.
Where you going? Cabin. Come on, Pop. Stay here. We need you. Keep your head down, boy.
Piney, stay at the club, yeah. Don't go and isolate yourself. Oh, come on.
fundraiser shows charming his sons give a shit. We need that.
Have Phil shot at me. Take a grenade to get past him.
No. Tig. He's the only one I trust keep you safe.
Listen, one person can't keep someone safe when you've got people fucking decapitating multiple men, yeah? Tig bleeds like anyone else. I want Tig to run up in Gemma. Fuck it. You did the same thing to JT.
I really hope this attack doesn't have anything to do with the threat on Dr. Knowles.
You have a beautiful family, Jax. You really should. It's good to have a reason not to die.
Your club has turned into shit. So many divisions, so many agendas.
I'm making chili for the fundraiser. I don't give a shit. Let's go.
Don't have that head.
Let him make the chili.
It's for his wife.
Stay in this kitchen, yeah? Yes, sir.
Hey, turn that music off.
Is the head in the pot? You better restart that fucking dinner, yo.
He hasn't. Have to worry stateside. Lobo had no northern network.
They don't. What's that for?
Troops in.
Pentothal. It'll get them talking.
Fucking hell.
That Lobo says there's a rat in your crew with roots in Nogales.
He's a lying puta ese.
It don't matter Mayan or son. That bitch is dead.
Man with family in Nogales. Who would that be, Marcus?
Okay. If Pedro is the pipeline to Lobo, then let's feed him something useful. They were storing him here tonight. And you and your guys take him down.
That soldier says there's about 25 Lobos local. I only have 4 other men with me. I'll need support.
Oh, Jesus. We gotta roll as one into this. Otherwise, we're all dead.
Yeah, I know.
You get your leadership up.
Let's hope there's someone left standing to lead.
I'm sorry, man. I never thought Mullen would lead to this shit.
I know. We're in it now, brother.
How could you not think Mulin would lead to this shit? Brethren, when you deal in death, death comes up to your door, yeah? So, don't be surprised. Oh my God,
Hey.
Lord Jesus, I hope that's a different pot.
That chili ready? No, it's simmered enough. Give me 2 bowls of it.
You better start another pot. In fact, dash with that pot and start a whole new pot, but feed that one to the cops.
Surgery today.
Hang on, Gemma. Hang on. It's not ready. Gemma, hey.
Hey, did you follow the recipe?
I know you and Clay have been going at it over this whole cartel thing.
You don't know anything.
Why don't you fill him in? Tell him the stuff.
I'm just trying to tell you my side of it.
Do you have a side anymore?
Okay.
You know, you reminded me so much of John. Just
He's disenfranchised with his father right now. You need
maybe
to
our ideas still
reconnect that line.
You trying to tell me you didn't know about Maureen Ashby? About Trinity?
Maureen was a distraction. But when your brother took a turn for the worse, your dad was right back here.
Yeah, damage already
Brother,
done.
We all do damage.
I'm fixing what matters!
stop talking in riddles and tell him some firm shit.
You know, my old man was right about one thing. This club has lost its way. This ain't about the club, Piney. It's about my family.
I won't tell you how much you just sounded like your old man.
Tell him. He went to Ireland.
Before you let him die, you should find him. And know that for yourself.
Jack, can you trim your mustache? It's fucking bothering me. Looks like lip bangs. Fringe on his lips.
What's worse? A few broken windows, some fighting now and again, or bulldozers gutting the heart of your town. 2 checks. $75,000.
So it's a double cross of a double cross. So something's wrong here.
Where'd they go? It's gotta be rigged. This thing will blow us all to hell.
Yes.
Where's Pedro?
That's the Irishman talking there. Yeah, open that bitch.
Open it.
With the tortillas that got robbed earlier.
Jesus Christ.
So they know it's a
How
fake.
the hell did they know that we were waiting for him? Pedro never left our side.
Yeah. Looks like the competition's one step ahead.
It's just a matter of time before it hurts our kids.
I'd never let that happen.
Oh, stop chatting shit.
Sorry. I have to go. I have to get them out of here.
Woman up. Chills. Woman up. Why am I getting chills? Go, Tira, go.
They're interested in me.
You should go. Just stay there until things calm down here. And we'll figure it out.
Listen, if Cartel's after you, yeah, they will find you. Especially if you're a registered doctor somewhere else. Don't tell her shit.
You're protecting our family.
Don't tell her details, man. She's gonna tell Clay. Please don't do some stupid shit. The show's making me anxious. You know when someone decides to get out, it's normally right at the end of the movie. Some boys in the hood shit, some Carlito's way shit. I'm not on it, yo. I am not on it.
I'm gonna stay
Oh,
at the clubhouse, try to figure some of this shit out.
Why have you got on OJ gloves?
You want me to come by?
Nah, I'm in lockdown in the chapel. I need the quiet.
Okay. Love you too.
She knows that he's lying. If he fucking touches Tara, I swear, down. Oh, God. Chips, please be behind him.
Oh, shit. You scared me, man.
What the hell are you doing? You come on!
Tell him.
Come on.
Tell him.
All right.
Oh, no. No, 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 no. Shotgun. Shotgun. Cock it. Pump action. Oh, please, please, please don't do this.
Give me the 9.
Don't trust you, bitch. You got gloves on. Look at the gloves,
In
man.
the boot.
Piney. He's got gloves on, bruv. I'm vexed. Don't you fucking touch Piney.
That.
This shit went down today. Things got complicated with the Galindo. I'm gonna need more time.
More time. More death.
I still know I'm supposed to trust you. These, pointed letters you're supposed to have. What's to prevent you from showing them even after I kill the cartel deal?
You wouldn't have a reason to.
That's a risk you're gonna have to take.
Okay. I'll call Romeo. If there's retaliation,
That blood's on your hands.
Okay. Oh my days. I hate Clay. I fucking hate him.
Not here.
You wouldn't have them here. I told you I've got a contingency plan. So they're with my solicitor, bruv.
Tara still got him.
How would Tara know?
She's the one that gave him to you. You don't think I knew that, old man? Too late.
I'm so upset. I just saw it coming anyway. I was focusing so much on Tara this episode. That's a low, low. Oh man, you just fucking obliterated this man's family, yo. Donna, now fucking Piney. Bullshit. Shit. You should have had a copy of the letters. That was the contingency plan. What the fuck, Piney, man? I hope you got some backup shit that comes out. I prefer season 3. Oh shit, the club's turning to shit. It's low. I've got no words right now. I've just got no words. I'm gonna end this reaction. Do the stuff. Peace and love. Bye.